Come, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. If you want to install applications on your watch, you will need to do a couple of things first. You will need to pair your watch with a phone because it needs to be paired with a phone for it to work. You will need to connect your watch to the internet, maybe Wi-Fi network or mobile network, and then you will need to copy a Google account from your phone to your watch so you can use the Google Play services. And once you have all of the things, you will be able to download the applications or install the applications. To connect your watch to the internet, simply wake up the screen, open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. And here find the option called connections. It's going to be at the top. Tap on it. And here you can tap on Wi-Fi or I don't know, mobile network if you have eSIM card basically. But usually mobile, not mobile, but Wi-Fi will be just enough. So open the Wi-Fi menu, find the network you want to connect to, tap on it on the list, and then enter the password. And then tap on OK to confirm and connect to the network. And once you connect to the network, it will appear right here at the top and then it will say connected. That means you're connected to the network and you have internet on your watch. And to copy Google account to your watch, you will need to open the settings again. Scroll through the list, find the option called Google, tap on it, and here tap on accounts. And as you can see, I have account right here on the list, but if you don't have any, you need to tap on add account and you will see this pop up. And basically what it does is when you tap on this icon, it will bring you to this menu on the phone that is paired with your watch. The menu should pop up on the screen. Come on. Something's not working now when I need it to work. But basically, there should be a pop-up on the screen of the phone that is paired with your watch. And in that menu, you will need to select the account you want to copy. And then once you select it, you will need to enter the password or confirm with the fingerprint. And once you confirm it, it will basically start copying the account to your watch. Will it open now? No. Okay, so I don't know how to deal with it. I probably would need to reboot the phone and also the watch for it to fix itself, so I'm not gonna do that. But anyway, once you add the Google account, it will appear right here, and then you are ready to go. We can download the applications. And to do that, you will need to open the menu, of course, find the Play Store icon, tap on it, and in the Play Store you should see this page. This is the main page of the Play Store. You have different categories of apps, watch faces and stuff like that. You can look for something right here by browsing the categories, or you can tap on search and search for something more specific if you want to. I'm gonna just browse the trending apps category. So find the application you would like to install, tap on it. It will open the info page for the app, and here you can see the description, screenshots, reviews and stuff like that. And once you decide to install the application, tap on install. And the application will start installing, and after it's done, the install button will change to open button. So let's wait. And here you have it. As you can see, install button changed to open button. And you will see also the uninstall button, which means that the application is installed. You can tap on open to open it directly from the Play Store, but you can also open the menu, and at the bottom of the menu, the icon will appear of the app. You can tap on it to open the application. Okay. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.